Hello you guys, it's Nylajai'ne and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do some natural mini twists, and we will be adding hair to this client's hair, but it really is no different from doing the regular 2-strand twist. If you guys have not seen that tutorial, please go watch it. But in this video, we just kind of wanted to add some volume and some length to my client's hair. So today I will be showing you guys how to do that, and I will be using Hotbraids hair, and this is human hair, so it's really gonna add that like overall natural look. And y'all, I was so excited to do this whole hairstyle was a task today, I'm not gonna lie, because one, she had color, so just trying to make sure that the hair was tucked under the hair that I was adding in, and making everything blend in seamlessly, because as y'all know, if you braid hair, and if you don't know, it is hard to tuck hair and twist. It's easier in braids, but y'all are gonna love the result when we're done. And then on top of that, y'all, she requested like no gel, so we only used gel when it came to parting her hair, but not actually like on these sections. So that was a task. And then just trying something new and adding in human hair. And so yeah, this whole hairstyle was definitely a task, but overall I just absolutely loved how it turned out. So I'm just so excited for y'all to come along with me. So like I said, this is human hair from Hotbraids. I'm going to put all the information in the link below. And with the packaging, it came with a comb, a cute little box with tools in it, and then obviously I had a silk bag with the hair in it. It was packaged very neatly, and it's kind of like the hair was kind of like stacked up, and I kind of had to like pull it apart. But y'all are gonna see, like, I kind of had to like stretch the hair. Y'all are gonna see at some point in the video. I'm gonna put like a timestamp so y'all can see, but I did have to like stretch the hair. No, not stretch the hair, but y'all can see that when I stretch the hair, you will see like the length of the hair, because it looks short, but the hair stretches out when you add it in and you twist it and things of that nature. So yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. Like I said, she didn't want no product on her hair. I did use mousse to just help with like the volume of the twist. Like I said, it's no different from doing like regular natural 2-strand twist. So the products that I will be using as far as like parting her hair, I use the knee braid shining gels always, and then I use some mousse to just put throughout the twist when I was twisting. So yeah, that's what I did. So to start off, y'all know that I part the hair from ear to ear. So I parted her hair from ear to ear, and then we got started on the back. So the way that I did this was kind of using like the knotless braid method, and this is what I do even without adding extensions when I do the natural 2-strand twist. So I started it off feeding in 3 pieces. They're all the same size. And I feed them in like knotless braids, and then I end up splitting it up into 2 sections, and I twist it down. And I did add mousse, like I said, to just give that well-rounded look. And then when I feel the consistency not as consistent, then I add in 1 more piece to just make sure that the twist is consistent all throughout. So that is basically all that I was doing. And you are gonna have to just kind of like feel around the hair and see what size pieces you should be adding in, especially as you go on with twisting the hair. But overall, I was able to figure that out. So I'm going to put up a better visual for you guys, and you guys can sit here and watch it and see how it turned out.
Christ, I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth, true purpose was birthed. There is no promise that can be undone. I loved you that much that I deemed you worthy to receive my son. You saved me from the ways of this world, where Messiah reigns, everlasting love dwells. The one who is and will always remain. The wonders of Christ I still fail to explain. Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So if all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest day. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So if
overall, I did the same thing throughout, and as you go on, you know, your muscle memory will kind of tell you like, okay, this is the piece I need to be adding, this is the piece I don't need to be adding, and you will kind of get the hang of like how you're supposed to be doing the hair. But yeah, y'all, so when we were done, I just did her edges, and I did her edges, and then we also wanted to just kind of style her hair in different ways so that we can see like how flexible the hairstyle was. And honestly, it's so freaking cute. I feel like it just looks so natural, and there's so many different styles that you can do. It was just really nice seeing how this turned out. It came out so cute. I 100% recommend this hair if you are somebody who wants natural hairstyles or natural looks, but you just don't want to add synthetic hair, or you don't want anything that weighs your hair down too much. This is the perfect hair for you. I'm going to put more information in the video as well as in the link down below. But like I said, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let me know. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.